AI, a buzzword of our time. But how did we go from machines that merely followed instructions to systems that create art, write stories, and almost think? This is the story of AI's evolution from Alan Turing's loops of logic to today's almost sentient algorithms. A journey of questions. Can machines think? Can they feel? And most importantly, where are we headed? Now, our story begins in 1936 with a man named Alan Turing, the father of modern computing. Turing wasn't just building machines, he was asking profound questions. In his landmark paper on computable numbers, Turing laid out the idea of a universal machine, a theoretical device that would perform any task given the right instructions, somewhat like ChatGPT, and this was way back in 1936. It wasn't just groundbreaking, it was revolutionary. It showed that at their core, machines could think in loops, processing logic step by step. And in the times of World War II, Turing's work cracked the Enigma code. The Enigma machine, Germany's unbreakable cipher, was a puzzle that defied even the brightest minds. The Enigma machine could be set up in 158 quintillion, 962 quadrillion, 555 trillion, 217 billion, 826 million, 360,000 different ways. But Alan Turing's genius turned the tide of World War II. His team discovered a key vulnerability in the code. Every German message ended with the phrase Heil Hitler. This predictable ending allowed Turing's Bombay machine to synchronize the Enigma settings. What once required millions of years of computation was reduced to just 20 minutes. This wasn't just a wartime triumph, it was a leap toward the development of intelligent systems. Turing proved that machines could solve complex problems faster than humans, a foundation for the AI revolution we witness today. Turing believed in the idea of a baby mind, that machines could learn over time just like humans, they could evolve like a child's brain. But the world wasn't ready for this idea, and after his tragic death, AI's development faced decades of turbulence. This was the AI winter, a period where progress seemed frozen. Projects that once promised the stars fell apart, like the ambitious machine translation programs of the 1960s. Researchers hoped computers would master language, but instead, they stumbled over simple phrases.
Are you the translator?
Tú eres el traductor.
No, tú eres el traductor.
No, you are the translator.
Marvin Minsky, a pioneer of AI, famously remarked, "People expected too much too soon." But then researchers like Geoffrey Hinton and others quietly kept experimenting with neural networks, an idea inspired by the human brain. And with the advent of the internet in the 90s, AI got its second wind. Deep Blue wasn't just a chess machine, it was a glimpse of AI's potential to outthink even the brightest human minds. The age of narrow AI had begun. AI wasn't following instructions anymore, it was interpreting the world. Fast forward to today, generative AI tools like ChatGPT can write essays, compose poems, even simulate conversations. Platforms like DALL-E and MidJourney can create art that rivals human creativity. AI is no longer just about solving problems, it's about creating, imagining, and interacting. It's not just a tool, it's becoming a collaborator. Recently, it helped me build a Christmas movie recommendation engine that recommends a Christmas film on the basis of your mood without writing a single line of code. This raises a question: can AI cross the line from mimicry to understanding, or is it just simulating intelligence? AI is no longer a question of if, but rather how. How far do we let it go? Today, AI writes scripts, diagnoses diseases, and even drives cars. But it also raises ethical dilemmas. What happens when AI creates misinformation? Who is accountable when an autonomous car crashes? And as AI becomes more and more powerful, will it replace human creativity or simply enhance it? The future of AI isn't just about tech, it's about humanity. Will we control it or will it control us? We have come a long way from Turing's loops of logic. AI now shapes our world in ways he could only dream of. But the question remains, can machines truly think? Or are they just reflections of us, our logic, our creativity, and our fears? Answer lies not in the code, but the future we choose to build.